Kole sebai leve kole voin hi zola ini sari sang ni lesam ni par ani Tuesday ni akadam na hi jega ni ania voin hinin November pa health insurance in champions conclave kan mangdona phaila kan otulian te police mai local boka chung hotena chung kan mangdona ariam dam dan ten kan lo vlog venga kan tweeten an rem ti chonin YouTube ate bokan upload ve amai turangai la thang he pd seti lo thleng boka kan kina ti kan nan da tha chonin kan peter putar ni huna te kan en vele du ngein arin ani chuan kan te hoi peng he lama isiam na lama kan phele photang e la hin isiam lam pang nam kan cover sim he kan buai cha kahit rotuwa yung lain boka abong di pasunta ni aras di pa na mani catering ni chelo heta umsa ni tron catering enge inglar timi inglar rito kila ya bracket mo kati horop tholo ni mo leng res no etla hi tu ma pui te war thenga hi lokin de reng mai ne ni lahi lo tu pa Asuman Parek Director NCDO Retail Commercial Sale and International Business kan ho tu pa ber kan motor ho tu pa ber ani don hi ai la matangin ho tu te local nuala pali panga ve local regional triplet champion conclave kai kopa zin kan tum vedem nen hei ha zola an ron matle ta boxia zin don talo nai don khom ma he azin ai kha zin lawai kha poisa lak thein se thatun hela hin green room item ne to thong chu ta hin no ri lai lai bang siam tu mo so daranga ti khane mo ma se pel to hi ma ti tak tak thei shilo so ni namani ha in cultural club ti vele mo nien war par ani chu ve han kal khoma ta han eng ron so di don ber sei la ni chu ti khanin mizo thalai tan in hlona alom ve lezel boka kadin ma moton vek tina ni chu hela ma hinin kan ho tu te boina la pang kan pheile thunga e khuat sia season lawang reng khop maya November chobe li se ka I khop ma he thil ti hin hui kal khom se la hi tani chu mai mai miang zang nge kal khom dong hello e chan mari hanin office kan ne ya health insurance hi mizomi puite point kan lo tv na sakop maya mizoram sarkar max kalpui ma se kha chu chung ko member tam deu ta bechen kum khata lo selwa lo bechenin man zo thoi ma khalo ni ti hanin health insurance a chuanin private hospital tho Trinity LRM Ebenezer ten lo impanel box ya chawang chon cashless ya approve kan ni tin deu thoma ya chu ding chonin tam tak ngan chhorna sa to noi som ni khatiang claim theina kha nei fer fur to mai ni chu chu ngan ron zeb lokali chu kara hian kan pu te lo thleng mek ne lam bu khe pangpar te turin kan pi te pan ki di zele ni te tuna kan pu hi Asuman Parek Khania Director and CDO Retail Commercial Cell in International Business Khania mecha hi Dr. Santi and Claim Department how to Uber ani chana hunga zu te hi pi punam bus park le pushing ate ani kha Eastern Zonal Head le notice pakan regional head te ani kha chu pangpar che te ve local ngun te to akan ngai de nge ni nakina present dang chu kan pele thawak chu
we are here to celebrate excellence, hard work and the incredible achievement of our champions. Let's make this night unforgettable. और एक शायरी हो जाए खुद पर हो विश्वास जी खुद पर हो विश्वास और कर्म पर हो आस्था फिर कितनी ही बाधा आई मिल जाता है रास्ता So, शुभ संध्या देवी और सर्जनों चैंपियन कंट्री सेलिब्रेशन में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आपकी दोस्त आरती टोटो और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि ये शाम
Good evening, sir. Good evening, madam. We are very deeply thankful that you have come all the way here in Aizol, which is we know that it is a very small location, but still we are deeply thankful that you took an importance to us, and then all the way from the central team, you have visited us, and I hope you enjoyed this evening, and also I hope next time you want to visit us again. So I wish you all the fun tonight, and now I will start this function by reading the Bible and a prayer. But I will do this in Mizo, so please understand that. ทุกสิ่งเต้ประเทศทุกอย่างมีเราเชื่อเราทุกสิ่งเต้บุ้งส่งเราสร้างเป็นจงจำมาเรื่องเราว่ามันลงนะสู้ชิงจันอันนี้เลยจานนะเอรสู้ว่าจะมีอันนี้นี่อามาไงอากงตรงอาจารย์มาที่มาเสด็จปันเรื่องเต้หงชินที่นาได้สู้แล้วว่าคนที่รอที่ว่าที่ว่ามันเต้สู้ที่เก่งเอามาแล้ววันที่ส่งที่ฉันเลยชอบเป็นเสียมาอันนี้ประเทศมีสวัสดิ์โอ้ยนี่ชาโลอาจารย์ที่ลุงอาจะก็เพียงแต่ถูกแล้วปัตตานาเป็นอันนี้อินทรัลมาเซเชมลวินสวัสดิ์นี่ก็ฟังได้ก็ได้ดูจังสัตว์มันสงสารเสีย
ole tuna chuan kan ho tu te present hlan na kun chil pek na hun kan mang do na kan ho tu ten han bo sai don me kani Mizo traditional dress nge thil hu tak mai kan nam zia pholong thei thom no nyang chu pedon ani
इस इवेंट को अभी चकाचक कर रही है और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको इस समय गर्मी महसूस नहीं होगी क्योंकि अभी बारिश चल रहा है और मौसम भी काफी अच्छा है काफी रोमांटिक सा लग रहा है सो अगर मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी मिस्टर अंशुमान पारिक जी को डायरेक्टर एंड सीटीओ रिटेल कमर्शियल सेल्स एंड इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस सर हम आपको एक छोटा सा देना चाहते हैं हमारी तरफ से आप खरीदिए जाकेट के ऊपर पहन लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं। अब बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं। अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी डॉक्टर शांति बंसल, एग्जीक्यूटिव वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड हेड इन क्लीन मैनेजमेंट। ये मिजो शॉल आप पर बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मैम। और अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी पूनम भाजपा, ईस्ट जोनल हेड। अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी मिस्टर संजीत राय, रीजनल हेड नॉर्थ ईस्ट। प्लीज आप लोग हाथ में ले जाइए, बाद में फोटो खींचना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। सो
Påbären Torsedon.
Good evening, everyone. I said good evening, everyone. Okay. Actually, these two lights are coming on my eyes, so I'll stand here. Can I go there and talk? Okay. So thank you very much, friends, for coming. I know it's raining and it would have taken a good amount of time for all of you to come, from wherever you are coming. Because full day we were traveling, we went to our office and then we went to 2-3 locations, and I could just imagine that, honestly speaking, how difficult it is to navigate in the car, even on two-wheelers in Aizawl, and especially this is a city where you don't honk, right? Am I right? Unlike Delhi, where you have to honk every second, at least twice, correct? So it was very, very pleasant surprise for all of us. So thank you very much once again for coming in, and I'm very happy to see, this gathering, all the champions of Niva Bhupa, and I can see some kids also here. So may I request our Niva Bhupa team to stand and give a big round of applause to our champions. Big round of applause from Niva Bhupa team. Please stand and then give a big round of applause. I'm sure you can stand and give a round of applause to all our health captains. Their children also are there. Slightly low. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Please sit down. Yes, this is the first visit to Aizawl, my first visit of my life, not even working in Niva Bhupa. And Dr. Shanti, this is your first visit? This is your first visit? Okay, this is Doc's first visit as well. Poonam has been a frequent traveler here, and so has my good friend Sanjay. Let me very briefly tell you about Niva Bhupa. Would you like to know some key updates about the company? Some of you? Piche wale mujhe dekh, I can't see those who are in the back. So can I just roam around and talk? so that I will see that everyone is listening and not on mobiles. Because see, this is the only chance I am getting to talk to all of you, meet all of you. So I thought let me just tell you what Niva Bhupa is doing. So Niva Bhupa is more than 15-year-old company, right? All of you are aware. Earlier it was Max Bhupa, and now it is Niva Bhupa, right? After the shareholding change. And I hope that all of you are also aware that in November 2024, 14th November 2024, our company also went public, which means we are listed in stock exchanges. Are you aware? How many of you are aware that Niva Bhupa is available? Use some of the data points which probably you should know. And I would say you must know in Aizawl that what your company Niva Bhupa is doing. So in FY20 we were at 1200 crores gross written premium, that is 1200, And last year, which was FY26, which means FY25-26, we did 9,433 crores, just below 10,000 crores. So I thought that all of you would like to applaud for your company because this is what you all, our health captains, our team, Florence and the entire team and all of you have made. So last year our growth rate for Niva Bupa was around 28% in health insurance business. Why industry of health insurance is not growing much? Do you track the general insurance industry, life insurance industry and health insurance? How many of you track that what are the growth rates of the industry at the level of overall industry? I am not talking about company, at the industry level. Can you tell me what was the can you tell me how much total insurance premium would have happened last year? Any idea, rough idea? Total general insurance and health insurance business of the industry in India. Any rough idea, please? I want to hear one or two voices. Anyone? पीछे से कोई सर जिनको हिंदी आती है? Or anyone? Please don't be silent. How much the insurance industry would have done last year in India total? No idea. Anyone answer? Any guess? At least.
โอกาสกันผู้เบรนทุสจวัตยันินเจโรมันโซดอนวาร์ปร์คัลเจอร์คลับเตขานินโซดอนเฮกยังเจโรฮีกันควลชาภายละมาจังโลกัลเตกันนี่หินจนินกันโลโซทีนะอันนี้พอหินินอันนั้นดูเวลทีนะกันอินชวนเวนะปอนี่อ่ะโคเวลรัมตังอันที่เวงไอโลนี่กันเรียนจุกันนั้นกันโลลุยทีนะนี่ pe kan pe khana han kan ve chin chak han kan tir ve chin don ani lo en lo kang a thiam don em
Especially Niva Bupa, Aizol team, thank you all, thank you so much. It's absolutely very warm, kind and humble reception that we have got here. Thank you so much. You guys are so down to earth. I appreciate it. It's for all the Aizol people here. You guys have been all very humble and thank you all of us. Thank you. I extend my special thanks to all our partners who are here to celebrate this evening. Thank you for partnering with us. And when I came to know how good Aizol is doing in terms of the ranking, city ranking, you guys are among the top 15, and that is because of you partners. So please give a clap for yourselves. All of you have made it happen that you are in the top 15 branches of Niva Bupa. Let's talk to, we have 200 branches. Now as Anshuman did mention, we are not in the business of generating a premium, we are in the business of paying claims. So, if one claim...
Thank you so much for
kan zo za thiam lar alai lak zai turin kan han soma ase la hi English lak top of the world carpenter sak thin khania copyright kha ron don wangin copyright issue don wangin kan da lo ba yang adanga next kan tidai ma yang
So the song was good and I don't want to bore you. No, I can't say it, sorry. So should we do some schooling, some education, something? You want that? You want to learn something?
yes
Huh?
yes
Anyone? You want to learn something? No. No. You want to get something in free, some certificates? Interested? Not interested? Interested?
di noa choli le te moileng pena khan tiang hu zen yam ti da in tine te ana Hizun ka liam na te moya mo di
hei po hi kuch hota he ti afim hla khaniyat copyright issue omle dona wangin copyright an claim le dona chuwan chanin alai chukan dale lowanga kan pute lam vel hi hanti vel hi handa pochang vewari nen ma se a music beram lo chanin hodon si chuwan chanin kan da lo mayanga kan pupuyan za ve vel ma se ri hatila nangam silawa thiam ve khom mai copyright on claim chani chuti hlau chu ania a channel ni tu tan khana poi thina chu wan chanin kan dar si lo mayang zegen chungin an save maya han ngai thla chu chak mu khop mai dona claim om lo chi a clip han pain mani a khani kan da to tho boka helai chu kan da youtube upload tur chanin a music telling kan da lo mangal tan ti khan kan du tong mayang o tu na chun lam lampang session kan lo thleng le to a party an thon ani meng chu nuam hu tu don khop mai champions kum clay fa hin ka voi khatel na nia ai elin pon hiang nar khop mai a du za za in thei don ani at lomom khop mai hei tiang hi e tila hin lama chonin e thian pakachinin e youtube pa tilang mi su te miran beng thoi men hung lam tang khanin mingam tlak ani wa khan huat en en chi khan lowa a chawan chan youtube am lo tur chu du to ka lam tur ani mai khan thalak pola maila youtube upload khachon mani langa ti khachon lo du bik lawa chu wan chonin kan tilang lo ani chu khan ten than chu an du to kan lama than chu san re khama chu kan ho mai dona tu ma kha i inventory te kha ngai lo wa chu wan chonin ho du chun ho mai don ni ol khame chu kan lu le phot mai te se